Hey guys, welcome back to Delicious Diary. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Do comment if you like my video. Today I'm sharing review about Basmati rice available in supermarket more. This is loose Basmati rice. I will soak it for 30 minutes. This rice has really nice aroma. I never seen aroma like this in other brand of basmati rice. I am using 1.5 cup of rice, so I will boil 6 glass of waters and add soaked rice in the boiling water. Do not use spoon to check the rice again and again. Only do it only once. Add salt. Only use the spoon once so the rice grain will not break. I am cooking this rice on medium flame. In 15 minutes the rice get cooked nicely. Can check in spoon. It has become soft. So I will cook it another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I will drain out the all water. The basmati rice is completely cooked. There is no need to cook it again after covering it. Like how we do some steaming after covering the lid and pan. But this rice do not need to covering. I have just boiled the rice grain in boiling water and strained out all the water. So it is cooked very soft and the grain are not broken. You can prepare any recipe with this rice by mixing gently. I am mixing this with the vegetable rice. I will share vegetable recipe above. You can check this vegetable rice recipe from playlist. Mixing gently will not break the rice grain. So here is the loose basmati rice of more supermarket. Is very really super. It is very excellent and tasty rice. If you like this video, please like and comment. Do subscribe my channel. Also join me on Instagram for more recipes. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.